This is parliamentary dictation with speed of 40 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, November 24, back of exercise 9. Ready. As a matter of fact, I do not consider anything marvelous or anything is miracle. Everything is in conformity with the laws of the universe. We call them miracles or marvelous because we do not know them, and as we know something quite, but we do not expect, then we consider them miracle, but that should make us something and should enable us to dwell more and more into the depths of this knowledge, so that in the modern world we can have a better, meaningful human society which works for the benefit of the whole human society. We have not yet reached that stage. There are people who are in want, and even those who have plenty are not happy. That also requires to be gone into side by side. Everything you take, if man is not happy, then it is not worth. But if one is happy in spite of circumstances, then one has achieved peace of mind. And if peace of mind is obtained, you can bear with this field of knowledge for more successfully and with greater effect, precision, and even speed. I hope, therefore, that you will, in your deliberations on the technical matters, also got into this matter of working with peace of mind so that your efforts become more and more effective and successful. Para, I have only pointed this out to you, not with a feeling that you are not aware of these things, but because you are engineers. It is a fundamental condition that if engineering is to succeed, it must be done coolly and calmly, considering all the circumstances that are available. That is the foundation of all engineering. I am sure you are aware of these things, but as a layman, I don't think I can tell you anything about the technical matters. I can only tell you how technical matters can be utilized and more progress can be made in technical matters from technology. Ultimately, that is what is going to be utilized. That is how it is going to be used. Therefore, these are conditions which are necessary for all of us. Para, in this country there is a difference. We have inherited several things which enable us to keep calm and not be get into tension. That is what I have seen in my travels all over the world. I find in this country people have more smiles on their face. The poorest man has a smile on his face, whereas in the affluent countries I find there is tension and he is in a hurry and impatience, which many times lead us to disaster. Stop.